Hi, it's Chris Schrack, timeshare success coach and owner of Performance with Power. I'm really looking forward to the upcoming event, the workshop that we're going to be doing together exclusively for your team. This experience is designed to give each one of us some ideas, tools, and processes to take our enthusiasm and excitement for the new year and to continue to build on our successes and create momentum, not only through February, but going into your next high season. You know, one of the things that I learned from highly successful people is that how we do anything has an effect on how we do everything. What that means to you and me is that we can get huge results out of this event if we're expecting to get huge results out of this event and you lean into the work. What's required is that you've got to do your part. So how can we begin to increase our results today? One of the ways we can do that is by taking new action now, not after the event. So I'm going to give you 3 actions that you can do right now that's going to serve you in getting the most out of the upcoming event, but more importantly, more out of creating results tomorrow. The first thing is this: to expect something great to come out of this experience for yourself and for others on your team. Expectancy matters, your intention matters. Number 2, make sure to formally pre-register by completely filling out the information on this page and clicking on the registration button. This information is going to come directly to me. It's not going to be shared with anyone else. And it's going to end up helping us increase our communication prior to the event. And I've got some more important things that I'm going to be sharing with you. So I want an easy pathway to get that information to you quickly. You want to be checking your email regularly. Number 3, in the next few days, I'm going to send you a simple pre-event questionnaire to each and every one of you to complete. This is to help provide me with insight, ideas, and areas you may want me to cover at the workshop. And your feedbacks can also help you think about your own success and what you'd love to create this year as well, and what you're going to get out of the workshop. Success begins by you doing your part and playing all in starting today. So I'll see you soon. Have an amazing rest of your evening. We'll see you at the event.